looked at the repair video to this Audioline 341 using the Uniden chassis. It was stuck in between transmit and receive, doing both at the same time, and it turned out to be a transistor, and so it got sorted out. So before you go about the blue meter, it's a farm radio, so it's not some restoration project. This is used every day in a commercial environment, so whatever it is whatever it is. So just get on with these things and service it. So full 4-watt output and all working a treat. Hopefully here's an on the air test. See whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Yeah, Roger. Still backing out the driveway.
Roger. We'll plug our extension speaker in.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, ready when you are.
Roger, off we go.
Roger that. Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. I've got a tone switch.
Right, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Just about passing the passing place and soon be passing what will be doggy daycare.
Roger on that. All done.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Lancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Right, we're square-wheeled Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Even better. Got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilson.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on.
I'm on audio line 341 from 1981 using the unit and chassis. Using standard replacement miser editing 4 watts. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger, Dodger.
Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilson Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Your safety there today.
Yeah, looks clear.
Good.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Right, so on this audio line 341 from 1981, doing 4 watts, drawing 1.013 amps. We're going for low power, so here we're going down to 400 milliwatts, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are, 400 milliwatts, radius going to 385 milliamps. We go back to full power, and there we are back on 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that, no problem on full power, no real problem on low power either.
There you go, good old radio from 1981. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 139.9, 144.7.
Excellent, that was 3. Let me go back to the customer.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yep, 139.9, 144.7.
Excellent, that worked a treat. I can go back to the customer.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Right, there's nothing more you can say. Audioline 341 works a treat. We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the Audioline 341 with the standard replacement mic, doing 4 watts into our, I can't even remember what base station it's been, 76900. And there we go on to low power now, 54321. There we go on low power, on 400 milliwatts, testing 1, 2, 3. Just here is a hum test, and there we go back onto full power. So have we done that? I've put that York A63 together, where it's had all the switches altered for silliness. I've done the Delta tune, I've done the Channel 9 switch, I've done the tone switch, it's all ready to go back to customers. We'll get on with that tomorrow. And I'm not quite sure what the next... Oh, we've got a Roto 240 I think to do. Thanks for watching.